Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Carroll County and east central Ohio, northwestern Harrison County and east central Ohio, east central Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located near Dover, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but they're not limited to Dover, Wicksville, Shaylotsville, Denison, Tappan, Leesville Lake Park, Bowerston. This will impact the following highway: Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 81 and 84. In addition to large hail and damaging wind, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is a killer. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday evening for western Maryland and east central Ohio and southwestern Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Tuscarawas. Urgent weather message.